the Quick App and Full App Unique Loan Program Form Field Controller. Now, this is a bit more advanced, but we have a way to set a form field with unique settings for the Quick App, Full App, and Back Office. For example, let's take a look at a field like the Mid-FICO Score field here. You might be working with different funding sources for different loan programs, and each of your funding sources might have different priorities for collecting the Mid-FICO Score from borrowers for the different loan programs. You might need to collect the Mid-FICO Score on the Quick App for your bridge loan, but for your fix and flip loan, you don't need to collect the Mid-FICO Score until the Full App. And maybe for your commercial loan, you don't even need to collect it from your borrower on the Quick App or Full App. But you'd like to have an internal use only field in your back office so that internal staff can enter it when needed. Since we'll be using this field in all three areas, we'll want to first make sure the display checkboxes are checked for all three areas, such as Full App, Quick App, and Back Office. Now we'll check the box to use the Quick App Unique Loan Program Controller. Something to note, once we check this checkbox, the original loan program box we used earlier will no longer function in the same way as it did before. It'll now become a Back Office Unique Loan Program Controller. You'll see what we mean here in a bit. Now that we checked the Quick App Unique Loan Program checkbox, a different box for the Quick App Unique Loan Programs will open. This is where I can put the Bridge Loan Program because I only want the Mid-FICO Score field to display on the Quick App for the Bridge Loan application. Now that we did that, we can checkmark the other box to use the Full App Unique Loan Program Controller. This will open up a third box for the Full App Unique Loan Programs. This is where I can put the Fix and Flip Loan Program because I only want the Mid-FICO Score field to display on the Full App for the Fix and Flip loan application. And since we also want to set the Mid-FICO Score field as a Back Office internal only field, we'll want to make sure the Back Office is set to display the field here. Now for the Back Office only field, we'll use the original loan program box to choose which loan program we want to have the Mid-FICO Score field to display as an internal use only field in the back office. Let's click on Click to View Loan Program. Now we can enter the commercial loan in the original loan program box. And now the Mid-FICO Score field will only appear as a back office field for internal use only on the commercial loan program loan files. We've now successfully created 3 unique settings for the same form field to display in 3 different areas for 3 different loan programs. If you need any additional help with this, please do not hesitate to reach out to the LendingWise support team.